Hello everybody, and today we are going to build a Python project which is a BMI app from Python. For those who don't know, a BMI app is an app where you give out some of your information, some of your physical information, that being your gender, your weight, your height, and it will calculate if you are overweight or underweight. Keep in mind, this is going to be something which seems basic, but we are going to add different features and different things to it. For example, we're going to be using some different libraries and different classes to make this happen. And I'm thinking of maybe adding some features which, for example, if a user is classified as an overweight person, then it gives out tips on how to lose weight. Forgive me for speaking with a small tone. It's currently midnight, almost 1 a.m., and I decided to make a video at this time, so yeah. Anyway, we're going to prepare and we're going to start. So here I have my Python folder, and we are going to, don't mind that, look at the folders, oh my god. We'll just open the extensions tab, I guess, or I'll just leave my AI here for some help. But yeah, Bismillah, and let's prepare. Okay, so we're going to first save this, and we're gonna name it, goddamn, wait one sec. And we're gonna name it BMI.py. So BMI app, BMI.py. Okay, so first we're gonna import our library. So from ABC, goddamn, ABC import ABC, and then we're gonna call this as abstract method, and we're gonna go class person. Okay, thankfully this has a lot of tips, but we're not gonna really do it like that. Sorry, I apologize. This is a new keyword. It's like one of those Apple keyboards. I'm not used to those. I used to have a mechanical keyboard. I haven't really been using this, so this probably was a bad idea. But yeah, we're just gonna continue with it. Okay, so here we're just gonna call the functions, and we're gonna call the integers which we'll need to classify each one. So we're gonna go self, and then we're gonna go, for example, we need the name, and then we need the age, and then the weight. Oh my god, dude, goddamn. Oh my gosh darn. Backspace is far behind. And then the height. Actually, this seems about right, so we're just gonna let this be, I guess. I'm gonna screw the comments for now. And okay, now we are going to add the properties. So we are gonna go right here and do add and property, and then we're gonna do no, accidental. Apologize for that. We're gonna go define weight, so we're gonna get the weight from self and return self from weight. So pretty much we're gonna get the information from self, and we're gonna continue back from where we started, so here, and we're gonna go with the other integers. My recording seems to be bugging, so that's why I'm stopping. Okay, now that's better. Alright, moving on. We're gonna go weight dot setter. Alright, we're gonna do define, oh god, that scared the living fuck out of me. Weight and we're gonna do self, yes, and then value, no, value, yes, and wait, if value equals 0, self value, no, okay, I don't really need this, actually, I'll buy it, I'll just change this to something else. I would have used the if else, I mean, not really just an if, I would have added an else to this, which I think I might do. Let's just say this. Weight must, oh god, must be positive. Now let's cut out from here in the if section, and then let's do this one. Oh god, no. I have my mouse for that, goddammit. Okay, so I have this one, and we're just gonna put in to the if statement, and we after this just gonna use an else for that, and yeah, all right, okay, so that is good as new. We're gonna go back here, and then we're gonna do this keyboard. I swear next time I'm gonna record, guys, I will use a different one. So my original one, define height self, return self height, yes please. All right, so that's pretty much good, and then we're just gonna do the height property now, as it says. Okay, height setter, define height, and then we're gonna do, so god, self dot value, all right, and then if value, oh god, value is 0, god, I swear I can't be caught coding in this freaking keyboard. This seems about right. Else, and then razor value. Yep. Wait. Actually, height must be positive. Okay, so far so good. Okay. Abstract method. And then define calculate BMI. And then pass that. And my recording's bugging again. Freaking hell. Okay. And then I'll do another. What's up with my screen, bro? I don't know if this will pop up in the video. It just says that it has a lot of, like, it's flickering, you know. But abstract method again, and we're going to do BMI category, yes, but instead of just self, I will add, oh god, I will add a BMI here, and then pass. So yep, that is about right. Pass, and I'm gonna go down, another abstract method, and define print. This is BMI info. I'll just do info self.pass. Yes, sir. Okay, now so far so good. We did the encapsulation with properties, add properties, and now we start, if I'm not mistaken, we start with a new class, which is adult. So we start from the beginning, and I'll just do a comment here which says adult class, okay, And then from there, we're gonna start with adult person. Oh God. Okay. Define, calculate BMI, self. Okay, I'll take that until here, but then I'll have to scramble something because I want to do something else with this. Okay, so here, and then I'll do return self weight. Yes, so we'll just scratch this. Okay, that seems about right. And then from the definition here, we will do get the category. So we need to get the category of each BMI. So define get underscore BMI underscore category. Oh my god, gory. And then we're gonna do self. Oh god, self BMI. Now we're just gonna close that. And then if BMI 18.5, because that's the mass, return underweight, yes. And then something is going on here. Probably some, wait, what did I mess up? Ah, screw it, I'll come back to it later. Else if, yeah, I think we'll just 25 that, you know, round it all up. Return for normal weight, and else if again for 30 over 30. Okay, overweight, and of course obese. Else, oh my god, else return obese. Now what the hell is going on? Oh, god damn it, the misspelling is when you misspell, you fuck up. Okay, now we're just gonna define each category. Now we made the category underweight, normal weight, overweight, and obese. Now we need to get the BMI calculations to get the first integer informations. So for example, get these ones, get the integer, self name 8, you know, compare that. So user's information, and the user's information which has to be put needs to be compared with this. So if I put, for example, if I'm under 25, you know, and stuff like that, my weight will be normal or less, blah blah blah, so stuff like that. So obesity, and we start again from the definition from here. Okay, and then we're gonna do define. Did I fuck up? Here, define. Oh god, define for 100 times. Yes, and then BMI self calculate equals BMI. I guess this seems about right. I mean, yeah. Okay. Now, this pretty much is it. We're just gonna test it out, I guess. Okay, so no error so far. So that's good. That's kind of what I wanted to go. Now we're gonna clear. Thank you. Okay, now we're gonna do the ask for tips. Ask for tips category. So I already have this printed out from ChatGPT. So I will simply paste in that. Okay. Beautiful. Now that I have the Alice questions, I'm just gonna see if it pops up anything. Okay, I guess not. Alright. Because I guess the inputs haven't really been done. Okay, now we're just gonna start off with, we're gonna say that child class. Fuck the comments. We're done with the comments. Okay. Okay, so we start from the very beginning and we do the same. So class child person, and then we do define calculate BMI from self return super. Actually, not super, not that class. We need self weight. So this one, return self weight times 2. Now that it's a kid, where the hell? Okay, I should do times 1.3 on this one. And then if BMI 14, return underweight 17. Okay, let's change that to 18. And change this to make it more realistic, 21. Obese. And then define self weights BMI to F and then category. Yeah, this seems about right. Okay, now square tips. Okay, I think that is about it. Now I'll just have to actually, should I make the, I don't know if I should make the ask for tips again. I mean, I can just like get that from here. Same one, I guess. Kinda. Okay, copied. And then I guess go from here and then just paste. Yeah. Okay. Now all we need to do left is the main program. So we're gonna do this and then main program. Okay. Now we're gonna go enter and then we're gonna do define main. Yes. Oh god. This is moving so fast. And then print. Oh god. Print. Welcome to BMI Calculator. So this is the input part where the user gives out its information. So name equals input, enter your name, age equals integer, so you know, input your age, and then weight needs to be float, weight kilogram, and weight height. And now we need to give out the logic for each person. So if age is 18, person is adult, and then its names are safe, else person is a child with the same categories, so name, age, and weight. And finally, we need to put person, print that information, and simple as that. I think we don't need anything else, even though, let's just give this a try first. Hold on. Okay, maybe we do. What's wrong? Okay, if name equals main, so that is about it. Yeah, for sure. Clear. Okay. Excuse me, what? Did I not do in the right direction, or did I not line it well? Oh god. Now? This is saved, right? This is saved, right? Yeah, it's saved. Okay. Clear. Wait one sec. What's up with this? There's no errors. You know what? We're gonna do the old-fashioned way. Not the old-fashioned way, the new-fashioned way, and we're just gonna give that and just say align perfectly. Because I know I spelled it wrong. I don't give a fuck. Dude. Just give me the code, dude. The fastest one you got. Okay. So it's aligned. It is the same code, so yeah. Okay, now you print. Alright. Welcome to BMI Calculator. Enter your name. So we're just gonna do Leo. What's your age? I'm 17. What's your kilograms? If I'm not mistaken, I'm around 62. Oh god, 62. I'm 1.78 meters. Name Leo, age 17. BMI category obesity. Dude. Okay, I'll ask it for tips. Tips to stay active and healthy. Play outside, do more physical. Yeah, okay. So that works. I feel like I messed up the category part though. Enter your name. We're gonna do this. Okay, so Billy. We're gonna say it's Billy. Enter its age. Billy is 40 years old. And Billy only weighs 50 kg. Enter your height in meters. And Billy is 1.80 meters. Underweight. Okay, so that works. Billy is the name. Age is 40 years old. Weight is 50 kilograms. Height is 1.8 meters. BMI is 15.43. Calculation, category, whatever, sorry, is underweight. Would you like to have anything else, like tips? Let's say no for this one. See what's up. Okay, stay healthy and take care. Well, everybody, that is the BMI app. The code is mine, I guess. I coded it, but I have problems aligning it. I should have gotten a format documents thingy, which I think I do have it. No. Anyway, yeah, that is the BMI app calculator. Successful. Happy with it. Here's another test. So we're just gonna do one last try. Jim. Jim's age is 12 years old. That is so Jim is 55 years old, middle-aged. He weighs around, what could be a normal weight for 55? 72. 72 kilograms. Let's do that. Height in meters. 1.82. Yeah, normal weight. Okay. He has a normal weight. Yes, let's do that. And tips for maintaining your healthy weight: continue in a balanced diet and regulate activities. Stay hydrated and sleep well. Okay, that works. Thank you everybody for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video.